vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include the National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Florence County in northeastern South Carolina until 6:30 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Timmonsville to 9 miles northeast of Alcoa, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Florence, Timmonsville, Pamplico, Quinby, Sardis, Hyman, Effingham, Mars Bluff, Cartersville, Francis Marion University, Clawson, Fremfield, New Hope, Evergreen, Scranton, Coward, Atlanta, Central Crossroads, Carolinas Hospital System, and McLeod Regional Medical Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m.